Hi, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I shared how to make a summer outfit for a doll along with the pattern. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the same outfit in kid version. So let's get started. We'll start with the top. So if you already have a basic bodice patterns for kids, you can use it. But if you don't have one, you can watch how I drafted in this video. Just click on the link here. I took the front pattern and draw the shape of the top like this. The width of the chest will be shorter than the basic pattern because I don't want it to be too wide when I already added the ease to the pattern. The pattern will be cut on fold into two pieces, one for the front and another one for the back. I also use cotton fabric for this outfit. Then I drafted the lining, which will be shorter than the bodice. For the lining, I use viscose fabric. Then I cut 4 long pieces of the fabric to make straps. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and get notified. To make the strap, I fold it in half, iron and sew on the wrong side of the fabric. Here are the 4 straps that I got. Then I diagonally sew on the top of the strap. This is how the inside of the strap will look. Then I use the loop turner to turn the right side of the strap out. Then I try to wrap the top corner of the strap to make it pointy as much as I can. Here are the straps that I got. The seam line will be placed in the middle like this. Pin the straps to the wrong side of the bodice by allowing 1 cm seam allowance from the armhole. Then pin the lining on top of the straps. The right side of the fabric will be facing together and sew. This is what I got. I also clip on the corner of the armhole to allow it to flip easily. When it's done, I turn the right side out. Next, I pin the front and the back pieces together. The bodies will be pinned together like this, but for the lining you have to pull it up and pin it together like this. And so. And here is the top that I got. I didn't roll hem the bottom of the top because I just want to leave it like this. I just overlock it. Now I'm going to show you how did I make shorts. It was very simple. I just took a pair of pants that my daughter already has. Then I just copied the pattern of those pants. When you already get the pattern, don't forget to add seam allowance before moving to the next step. If you look at here, the waistline of the back pattern will be a bit higher than the front pattern, and the crotch hook of the back pattern is also a bit longer. When you got the pattern, cut 2 pieces for the back and the front. Overlock all the seams, and I'll start with the back pieces. Pin them right side facing together. Then sew on the crotch curve 1 cm down to the hook. Repeat the same steps for the front pieces. Here is the back and this is the front. Now pin them together, right side of the fabric facing together. And sew the crotch. Now the crotch is done. Next I'm gonna sew the side seams and roll hem. Pin the sides of the front and the back pieces together and sew. For the hem, I rolled it once 5 millimeters and again 2 centimeters. This is how it looks. Now it's time for inserting an elastic. There are two ways of adding the elastic to the waistband. The first method is creating casing for the elastic. First, roll hem the top of the shorts 5 millimeters. Here I trim the corner of the seam allowance. And sew. Then I fold the top of the shorts again to create a casing. The width of the casing will be elastic width plus 25 millimeters. Then sew along the edge of the hem. I leave a hole about 5 centimeters to insert the elastic. Attach a safety pin to the elastic and work the elastic into the hem. The elastic that I use is 3 centimeters wide. Pull the elastic through the casing and check if it's not too tight. When you're done, sew the ends of the elastic together. Put it inside and then close the gap. I also top stitched the waistband to prevent the elastic from twisting. And this is the first method. The second method is sewing the elastic directly to the waistband. First, cut the elastic to fit the waist of the kit and join the ends of the elastic together. Then I pin the elastic to the waistband and sew around the entire waist. When you sew, you have to pull the elastic to fit the fabric. Pull and sew, pull and sew. Next, fold the elastic and fabric down into the wrong side of the garment. Pin it in place and sew along the bottom of the fold. Again, don't forget to pull and sew. And this is the second method.